July 18th is National Mortgage Broker Day, and most of the people who work in this industry have absolutely no idea it exists. The mortgage professional who helped your family buy your home, who stayed up late running numbers, who called you back on a Saturday, who figured out how to make it work when it looked like it wouldn't, they have a day. And most of them let it pass without a single celebration. I'm changing that. I'm Tricia McIntosh, mortgage educator and creator of MLO Advantage. This year, I built a free 25-page toolkit giving mortgage professionals everything they need to show up confidently on July 18th. Client outreach scripts, social media content, a complete media kit, and a step-by-step action plan. And on July 18th, I'm hosting a free national virtual event bringing mortgage professionals together from across the country to celebrate the day and the work they do. National Mortgage Broker Day was created by the Association of Independent Mortgage Experts. I just decided to make sure nobody misses it. The toolkit is free, the event is free, and it starts at mloadvantage.com/NMBD.